came from the streets, man, so I had no option. If you ain't getting money, we ain't got nothing in common.
So today has been a day. This thing is super
So guys, what happened was...
Why is it so dark? I'm a sweaty gosh darn man. Right now, I don't think you guys can tell, but we got a new camera. I sold both of my Sonys because...
a new dog too.
You got a new dog.
Got a new dogette.
Yeah, we've been training Juice a lot lately because we love him and we don't want him to be a butthole. What happened today has been a day to remember. Not really, but she was on her way to work.
Back to work, finally going back to work.
Yeah, because a lot of stuff happened. We're not talking about that, but she went to go to work and got a flat tire. A screw or something went in the tire. Also, the brakes are going bad on the Lexus. So it's just been a lot lately. But we're about to go head to my buddy Ali's shop. I'll post the link in the description. If you guys are in Maryland, seriously, dude. If you guys are in Maryland, you guys can go check them out. They're in Eckert, so you can do all that. But I need to get my brakes done, and I'm putting on another tire because when we drifted in the last video, like I said, the ground was messed up and it really shredded those tires. So we're gonna go do that. Yeah. Yeah. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Yeah. See, look at that. We don't even gotta tell you twice now. You're doing good, boy. Since you listened so well. Where's that little thing that you was chewing? Here we go. His little rabbit sausage. And sorry, I don't know if because I got this new mic. I got this new mic, the Samson Go mic or whatever. So if it does sound kind of weird, I'm trying to figure out and fine tune it so it sounds better. But hopefully it's good for now.
In our lives of Anthony and Haley.
Yeah, we got.
I have to clean every day, guys. This floor.
Nobody cares. Nobody cares about you. Let's take this trash out. We're about to head to the shop. Haley doesn't know what she's doing with the camera, obviously, as you can tell. We gotta go to AutoZone. Wait, don't shut that. I don't have my keys. They're not gonna hear you. I have the mic on. She's over there trying to like. So guys, microphone check 1 2 1 2.
Pretty much.
Yes, say it loud.
Anthony forgets everything.
I know. I forget everything. It's either my keys, my wallet, or my phone.
Can't
comment down below. I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one who has that problem. I feel like everybody does that.
I think it's only you.
No, I think everybody forgets stuff. They say that whoever is like smarter usually like is more forgetful. What a blistery windy day, as you guys can see. Lucy. No. Lucy is a tired soul. Tired soul right here. Fudge. Oh my god.
He was like, oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff in here. And when I went to go try and find the store.
Right. Yeah, because like
and he was like, whoa, these are the weirdest things of assortments. Like take here guys. Look at this. Just this bowl. We have a nice pot. We have some camera equipment.
What the heck? What are you doing? What are you doing, you silly guy? Yeah, you got them big bands, you know what I'm saying? 2008 Lexus IS350. Got the gosh darn brakes. Now time to go to Ali's shop. Cause look at this car, man. Like I swear this weekend this is gonna be a completely different car. You guys have to stay tuned for that. We're gonna basically wrap this whole car, and yeah, it's gonna be nice. Like I do want to I'm gonna use cans. I'm just gonna tell you guys, I'm gonna use cans for plastic dip. What I'm saying is I want you guys to pick the color. What color do you think we should do for this car? It's already black or like a design or something. I was thinking maybe like 3 colors and doing like kind of like how my Cadillac was.
I was thinking marble. I don't know about other people.
We could do marble. You could so what I could do is do the whole thing white, and then you can like buy like a couple of different things.
Go ahead.
Either marble or like splash, you know what I'm saying? Like splash this naked look all splatter and crazy looking. I think that would be pretty cool.
Or tie-dye. We could look-y do tie-dye too.
But I mean, I'm just saying, I feel like it's something crazy so we can just like catch hella necks. But I do need to get some new headlights too, because this is like kind of annoying. I think one of my viewers or one of my buddies on Facebook said he was gonna give me headlights and all that. So hopefully that'll work. Oh, for real? Yeah. Oh, Wad got the little. Okay. When are you gotta get some eBay coilovers? Are you gonna bet? You could. Yeah, bags. They're cheap now though. Bag. You probably get them for like $2 grand and just you guys put them in here.
I gotta find like I gotta do a custom system for them.
Boy, these big ass tires, boy.
Yo, they're fucking. What is it? They're 45 series, yo. I don't know why they're so thick, yo.
Crank that bitch up. Woo! Oh, come on, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Aha! Hey, drift that bitch. to my man's Ali for the complimentary. This is messed up because there's a hole right here. That's why the lights are all messed up. There's no light in there. But this one looks Gucci. I think he's gonna seal it or something after that, but it looks way better. They're not all yellow and crazy looking. Slowly but surely, we're gonna get Lucy up in better condition. He said he's got a fender roller too, so we're probably gonna come back, get these fenders rolled, and I'm gonna just do some touch-up paint right there, and then detail the car and stuff. That's all we need. And we got a new tire back here. Oh shit. Oh man. Oh shit. Got the new tire, little G-Max back there. To my man's Ali, man.
Very nice, very handsome. You're missing the ball today.
Yeah, I know.
Or don't forget about
What's your joint called?
Acceleration Automotive.
That's right.
6363 Washington Boulevard. Entrance in the rear.
Entrance in the rear.
One-stop shop for all your automotive needs.
I'm about to finish this video up, guys. Stay tuned for the next video that's coming out. Hopefully this weekend. I should be going up there and getting a bunch of stuff done to the car because she needs a lot. As you can see, it's like a Christmas tree under there. But like I said, I want to say thanks to Ali one more time because he definitely hooked us up. Got the new tire, patch and all that. But I'm slowly but surely trying to get this car back to being straight. Stay tuned for that next video. Comment, rate, subscribe. Don't forget to buy some Ant merch. Link in the description. Also check out Ali's shop. His website. Link in the description also. If you guys need anything, like he said, one-stop shop. Anything done to your car, custom, exhaust, paint, all that stuff. So go check that out and stay tuned, guys, because I got a lot coming. Peace. Your car.
In my heart, get it done again. We not making, we finish hot on the house. Sam, serious chin, fake out. Hold out, cause he make it.